Welcome to DR Horton at Watson Ranch. Watson Ranch is a planned community in American Canyon located at the southern end of Napa Valley near San Pablo Bay. Multiple wildlife reserves and watersheds are near here and are protected and enjoyed by many. You'll appreciate the stunning parks, open spaces, and recreational opportunities surrounding American Canyon. There's plenty of golf courses to choose from, including some near Watson Ranch, for all player types and lifestyles. The Napa River meanders through the city, where you can explore timeless scenery and endless activities. Taste the menus at a variety of Napa restaurants, from casual eateries to high-end dining experiences. And of course, you can enjoy the California wine collections from all of your favorite Napa vineyards. DR Horton is building near your favorite Napa destinations, so contact us today to choose your new home in Watson Ranch. Give us a call at 877-995-7452 and find all you need in southern Napa Valley.